Hello all, welcome. In previous session we covered DML operations, insert, update, delete and merge. You can watch in my playlist for more information. In today's session we will be covering TCL, Transaction Control Language. What all falls under Transaction Control Language? We have commit, rollback, savepoint. What is a commit? A commit is operation that finalizes a transaction, making all the changes made during the transaction permanent in the database. It's whenever we perform any DML statements, and after that if we use a commit operation, it means the data will be permanently stored in the database table. What is rollback? Rollback is the operation which undo the changes made by the current transaction. It means whenever we perform DML or statements, insert, update or delete, we want to revert back the changes to original state. That time we will use the command rollback. What is a save point? Save point is simply a marker set within a transaction that allows you to roll back to the specific point without rolling back the entire transaction. So for example, update statement, whenever we want to do the update, delete or any DML operation, we will provide a certain save point as S1. Similarly, the next DML operation, we will provide save point name. So likewise, we will be providing multiple DML statements and respective save points. We can set it. And finally, we can roll back to wherever we want to use the save point to store the data into the database table. So that save point, we can save it as a save point name. After that, we can do the commit. This is how the save point will work. So without delay, let's jump into the practical session. You can get more clarity on that. We'll open the PG admin and we connect it to the query tool. We'll select the department table for our practical purpose. Now we could see the data of file records which a department table is having. So currently in PG admin by default auto commit is enabled. To see the rollback and commit and save point transactions, we have to disable it so that you will get more clarity on these TCL commands. I am disabling this. To save our time, I was prepared a few scripts for you so that we can go it very quickly. First is rollback. We are able to see file records, and whenever we perform the DML operations, in this case we are using update and delete as a DML operation. We are setting department 3 row San Francisco updating with Mumbai location, and department ID 5 which we are deleting a data. So whenever we perform these two DML operations, and we can see the data into this statement. Now the data updated with Mumbai and there is no department 5. If we do the commit, it will be permanently saved. If we do the rollback, the data will be reverted back to the original data. Now you can able to view file records and it was rolled back. This is the first rollback operation. Similarly, when we do the update operation, like DML operations for location, we are updating with the Chennai, where department 3 San Francisco we are updating with Chennai, and we are deleting a department 4 from the data. After deleting this data, we can see the data. Now the data we cannot see. If we perform rollback, the data will be reverted. So in this case, we are going to do the explicit commit. So whenever we use the commit will happen and permanently the data will get deleted from that table and update it from the table. You can see 4 records. Even after commit, right, if we try to roll back, the data will not be reverted. So even then we are able to see 4 records. Coming to next transactional command, Savepoint. In this we are trying to update the record for location, department ID, wherever Chennai is there, we are updating as a Bangalore and we are setting a Savepoint as S1. Similarly, we are deleting a department ID as a 5. We are deleting this record and we are setting a Savepoint. After that, we are trying to insert new record with the CRM and Hyderabad and we are setting a Savepoint 3. And again we are inserting the new record with department as 7 and we are rolling back to Savepoint S2. It means like whatever the Savepoint S2, all these operations will get rollback. It means like completely it will be rollbacked. This is a rollback to Savepoint. Let's do it practically. I am just updating it. All the records. Now we are rolling back to Savepoint S2. It means like it will be updated Bangalore and also department will be deleted. These 2 records will not get inserted. Let's execute it. So when we run department table, if you see insert commands are not updated and Bangalore location was updated at 3 and the department 5 has been was deleted. It was commit. We can able to commit till Savepoint to S2. If you do a rollback simply, it means like all that data will be reverted back. So after this, if you try to use a commit, okay, so it will be committed completely. It will be committed. We cannot roll back the data. It means like select start from table. So it's permanently committed. We cannot, even if we perform the rollback, already we done the commit, right? So the data will not be written. This is done the commit at a Savepoint S2. Specific Savepoint we can do the commit operation. So final is like this is the same repeated exercise which we performed right now. An important point which I want to highlight. In Oracle, when we perform the DDL operations, there will be a implicitly commit will get applied. For DML operations, we have to do the explicitly commit. For example, when we perform the DML operations, if we try to use a create, alter, rename, drop, truncate, these commands, automatically implicit commit will get applied and the data will get stored permanently in Oracle, but not in PostgreSQL. So it is we have to do the commit explicitly always. Hope this session was helpful. Please let us know your comments and any doubts. We'll try to clarify. Thank you. Thank you all for your support. And it's encouraged me to do more videos to share my knowledge. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.